जस्ट गॉट डन विद अ वर्कआउट। ये हमने बहुत टाइम बाद वर्कआउट किया है एंड सबकी हालत बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब है। आई एम नॉट गोना अप्लाई सनस्क्रीन बिकॉज आई एम वर्किंग फ्रॉम होम। आई वॉज सपोज टू शूट। I start my day off with a detox water. I am going to mention in the description box down below कि मैं इस पानी में क्या क्या डालती हूँ. After I have my detox water, I head in and journal. Well, this is my gratitude journal and I don't feel it comfortable to share what I'm writing inside it. तो बस आपको इसका ही view मिलेगा. Next on, I head for meditation. Now there are several guided meditations available on YouTube. You can select anything which suits you. For me, a 5-minute guided meditation works out really well. Next off, my day starts with a nice cup of strong black coffee and some almonds because coffee के बिना मेरी ज़िंदगी कहाँ. And then I head out for my first workout of the day and that is the morning walk. I have a membership of Cult Fit and this is one of the best investments that I've had because यहाँ के workouts बहुत ही ज़्यादा मस्त है. We've just got done with our workout. ये हमने बहुत टाइम बाद वर्कआउट किया है एंड सबकी हालत बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब है. That's Tanisha है. Yeah, so I think I've got done with the workout for the day. So let's move and get started with the actual day. Okay, so I am done with my breakfast and मैं fresh होके आ चुकी हूँ, नहा चुकी हूँ and I'm gonna use this moisturizer. This moisturizer is by Simple and this is a very lightweight moisturizer, especially for people like me who have like a very oily skin, especially during summers. So this got to moisturize my skin also but not give me that cloggy wala feel, if you know what I mean. I'm not gonna apply sunscreen because I'm working from home. I was supposed to shoot today but I didn't and I was supposed to shave but I don't feel like shaving at all. The reason I'm not shooting is because मेरा आवाज़ अब तक बैठा हुआ है, if you can make it out. Yeah, but I am gonna go ahead with the day. I have certain meetings to schedule. I have one lecture to attend and I have at around 3 to 4 videos to edit. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. In the evening, I had fruits and sprouts and I ended the night with this dalia. It is amazing. Recipe मेरी mom से पूछना पड़ेगा आपको. The next day I started off way too early. As you can see कि अब तक चांद दिख रहा था and the best thing about this morning walks are that कोई नहीं होता है. It's just me, my headphones and the podcast I listen to and it's just serene. And the second best part I think is that मॉर्निंग वॉक में जब मैं जाती हूँ तो रात होता है, अंधेरा होता है एंड while I'm walking there's सुबह. So I have a meeting at Vashi at around 4 p.m. and अभी कुछ around 1:32 बजने वाले हैं. Well, I am going to just get ready. I'm gonna go in for a very simple look because it's a meeting. But the two essentials, especially for summer, are these two products that I use a lot. One is the Simple Hydrating Gel Cream जिसके बारे में मैं पहले भी बात कर चुकी हूँ. And one is this sunscreen from Dermaco. I absolutely love this sunscreen. This gives like no white cast. It doesn't give that clog wala feeling to my skin and it's very light. I totally and absolutely love it. These are the products that I will highly recommend and now I'm just gonna go and get ready. So that particular day I decided to go via train and my oh my मुंबई में इतनी गर्मी है कि मैं जैसे ट्रेन में बैठी मेरा सारा मेकअप मेल्ट हो गया. But there is something about मुंबई की local. I think it is like the heartbeat of us Mumbaikars. मीटिंग वेंट रियली वेल एंड मुंबई की लोकल का सफ़र जो रात में मज़ा है ना वो मैं आपको बता नहीं सकती, वो आपको एक्सपीरियंस करना पड़ेगा. Back from the meeting, the reason I didn't shoot when I was meeting, I wasn't sure if the client would have been comfortable, but I had a great meeting and it was a successful one. I have a meeting tomorrow as well and day after, which I'm pretty excited for. Yes, so fingers crossed. And
and I think I'm gonna call it a night now because I'm really tired. I'm gonna have food and then tada, I'll see you next day.
So I'm going for my morning walk today. थोड़ा late हो गया because I didn't feel like getting up at all. But here we are. One of the things that I'm experiencing lately is that during my morning walks, I have realized that I actually love my own company and I just love being around myself. So that's like a plus because of these walks. So I have done my workout, which is the walk, and I have already taken a bath, and now I'm sitting at this corner, which is my book reading corner. Currently I'm reading this book and it has some great insights about creating a habit, and from a perspective of marketing and advertisement, I think this is a quite insightful one. And today, to be really honest, I'm really proud that I completed the walk even if I did not feel like, because अब मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. So I am heading out to Andheri today because I have a meeting out there. I am actually on my detox. अभी मैंने छाछ पिया है and I feel pretty energetic for some reason. Today is really nice day, like it has been really nice day at Vinkers Cross. So yeah, let me take you to the journey of my client meeting. Also, I'll try to shoot the content if it's possible. Usually they're not comfortable, so please excuse me on that. So personally for me, if I'm traveling Andheri, I usually take a cab because वहाँ की traffic is something जो मुझसे बर्दाश्त नहीं होती, और गर्मी इतनी है कि मुझसे वो भी बर्दाश्त नहीं होती. In the evening, I took my mom to the dentist, and yes, then I did not record anything because I get tired pretty easily. The next morning, I started off with meditation. I'm going to link certain meditation videos in the description box down below. And the walk was like pretty good. I really liked it. I think this is something from an entire vlog that you can take it out. कि सुबह जाओ walk पे. That same afternoon, I had at around 3 meetings lined up, and I decided that train would be the best option for me to travel. And just look at me, the way I'm sweating, it is unbelievable. While I was waiting for the client, I did certain mails and messages to my other clients, and the other meeting was in the same mall. But उससे पहले पेट पूजा फिर कोई काम दूजा.
So I've just completed another meeting with Sakina over here, and now we're heading for, I think this is my third meeting and this is her second meeting. Yeah. And धूप इतनी है कि हम आपको बता नहीं सकते. So we are at Dr. Sonali's clinic and she is going to show us her clinic.
Yeah. So
Dr. Sonali was kind enough to give us an entire tour of her clinic. This is one of the most amazing clinic that I have been to. It has so many services, and majorly जितनी भी services है वो पूरी Ayurvedic services है. I am going to link down her socials in the description box down below. Do check out and let me know your thoughts on the same. This is one kind of treatment that I highly recommend people to do it. So I am at my neighbor's and she has made dal pakwan for us. अभी हम बस खाना खाने वाले हैं. So she's made dal pakwan and pav bhaji over here. So on Fridays, usually I do not go for walks because मेरी morning meetings होती है, and it's a platform which is known as BNI. हम वहाँ की meetings attend करते हैं. It's a great networking platform, and Fridays usually मेरे meetings पे जाते हैं, so hence I could not record a lot of it, but I have shared थोड़े बहुत glimpses. The next morning, it was very important for me to walk, and usually what happens is कि मैं Saturday को walk ज़्यादा करती हूँ because मैं Fridays को walk नहीं कर पाती हूँ. तो yeah, that's how I try to maintain a healthy lifestyle. कैसा चल रहा है? So guess who decided to show up for walk today? That's my mother, who's struggling to close the door. So here we are going for evening walk, and I have this companion over here. So that evening I was pretty excited because my mother decided to join me for a walk, and I am so grateful to live at a place where I have a proper park and access to walking parks basically, where I can go and walk शांति से. वॉक करते करते हमें लग गई प्यास एंड हेंस वी विजिटेड दिस किंग्स सर्कल जूस सेंटर एंड मैंने पिया मौसमी जूस. And I ended the day with washing my makeup brushes because that's also a mandate.
So Sunday है but मैंने वर्कआउट तो कर लिया है even though it was not that great. 20 minutes का किया है but I think it's a great achievement from my end. Yes, and now I'm going to take you guys along where I'm going to cut my hair and do a hair spa because it is a mandate to have a self-care Sunday.
With haircut, I thought of doing a hair spa as well, and I'm pretty much happy with the result. मेरे लिए vlogging तो भी थोड़ा awkward हो जाता है, and then I decided to go on a dinner date with my best friend Tanisha, and we went to Asia Kitchen. और इसने कुछ भलता सा ही drink मंगा लिया था. And yes, with that I'm ending this vlog. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time soon. Okay, bye.